We hold these truths to be self-evident. I can't breathe. That all men are created equal. I can't breathe. That they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights. Please, that among them are life, I'm going to die, liberty, please, and the pursuit of happiness. Dr. King would be ashamed of the state of our union. Over 51 years after his murder, we're still marching and protesting and roundtabling for the very same rights that he marched for in the 1960s and 50s. Dr. King would be ashamed because when he talked about education and separate but equal being unfair, and we look at the state of our educational system, we see that young black men still lag behind everyone else. We see that young black men are more likely to be disciplined by their teachers and suspended by their principals than anyone else for the same activities as their white classmates. Dr. King would be ashamed of the state of our union when he looked at the fact that he was beaten and jailed by police wrongfully as he peacefully protested. And today we're here for one of the reasons, a very violent death at the hands of law enforcement. An unjustified murder. Dr. King would be ashamed of the state of our union if he looked upon the state of our economy. And we must be willing to sacrifice. So if they take my eyes, then I'll find myself feeling to try to find some justice anyhow. If they take my legs, then I'll find myself willing and trying to find some justice anyhow. If they take my arms, I'll find myself walking and standing like a man for justice anyhow. If they take my voice, I'll find myself signing for justice anyhow. The time is up. Time is up. The time is now for us to come together. For us to use our power as a united force to ensure equal justice for all. Because I would hate, and I'm sure Dr. King would be ashamed even more, if we had to come here again and do the same thing a year from now.